0. Add 5. Can you less 1 directly?
No, but I can add 1.
There is a formula to less 1. That is small friends formula.
Less 5, add 4.
In this way, to less 2,
Less 5, add 3.
to less 3,
Less 5, add 2.
to less 4.
Less 5, add 1.
Hi friends, welcome back to the Finger Abacus teaching guide series. Today we will learn the subtraction formula of 5's complements and how to teach them effectively to children. These formulas help us subtract numbers when the required bits are not available on our fingers. Let's look at the subtraction formula. To add 1, we use the small friends formula, less 4, add 5. This formula in a slightly different way we can use to subtract 1. Add 4, less 5. And the same formula in extended form we will use on tens place to less 10. Add 40, less 50. To less 1, add 4, less 5. To less 10, add 40, less 50. Let's see how to apply the formula in subtraction problem. Place 7, 5 and 2, 7 minus 2 minus 1. We can add 1 but we cannot less 1 directly. That's why we will apply 5's complements. Add 4, less 5 to less 1. Value of fingers is 4. We will apply this formula in double digit numbers. Place 65, 50 and 10, 60 and 5. 65, subtract 11. To subtract 11, less 1 from tens place directly and less 1 from ones place applying formula. Add 4, less 5. Now subtract 10. To less 10 from tens place, we will apply 5's complements. Add 40, less 50. To make simpler, we can say add 4, less 5 on tens place. Value of the fingers is 4 and 4, 44. To add 2, the small friends formula is less 3, add 5. To less 2, add 3, less 5. And the same formula can be used on tens place to less 20. Add 30, less 50, less 20. Teach one formula at a time. Use plenty of examples before moving to the next formula. Let's apply the formula to solve subtraction problems. Place 9, 5 and 4, 9. Now subtract 3 directly. Subtract 2, applying formula. We can less 1 or 5 but we cannot less 2 directly. That's why here we will use small friends formula to less 2, add 3, less 5. Value of the fingers is 4. Plus 76, 50 and 20, 75 and 1, 6. 76 minus 22. To less 22, we will less 20 from tens place directly and less 2 from ones place applying small friends formula. Add 3, less 5. To less 20, we will apply the same formula on tens place. Add 30, less 50. Value of fingers is 3 and 4, 34. Start with the ones place before introducing the tens place. Focus on accuracy first, then speed. What is the small friends formula to add 3? The small friends formula to add 3 is less 2, add 5. And the same formula in a slightly different way to less 3, add 2, less 5. And this formula can be used in extended form on tens place. To less 30, add 20, less 50. Apply this formula to solve subtraction problem. Place 8, 5 and 3, 8, less 3 directly and less 3 applying 5's complements. Add 2, less 5. Value of fingers is 2, plus 87, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 7. 5 and 2, 7. 87 minus 33. Less 30 from tens place directly and less 3 from ones place applying small friends formula. Add 2, less 5. Now less 30 from tens place applying the same formula. Add 20, less 50. Value of fingers is 2 and 4, 24. When we cannot add 4 directly, which formula we use? To add 4, the small friends formula is less 1, add 5. And to less 4, we use add 1, less 5. The same formula in extended form. To less 4, add 1, less 5. Let's use this formula and solve the subtraction problem. Place 9, 5 and 4, 9 minus 4. Directly again minus 4. This time apply formula, add 1, less 5. Value of finger is 1. Apply this formula in double digit number. Place 95, 50 and 40. 95 minus 44. Less 4 directly from tens place and less 4 from ones place applying formula. Add 1, less 5, less 40. To less 40 from tens place apply the formula less 50, add 10, or to make simpler you can say less 5, add 1 on tens place. Value of fingers is 1 and 1, 11. Remember, children learn these formulas best through repetition and practice. Encourage them to understand the pattern rather than memorizing it. To learn more finger abacus techniques, stay with us by doing like, share and subscribe to Zippy Learning. Thank you for learning with us.